Welcome to World Air Forces. United States Air Force. Founded 1st August 1907. 5,470 plus aircraft. Combat aircraft. B-2, origin United States, type stealth bomber, in service 19. B-1, origin United States, type strategic bomber, in service 59. F-22 Raptor, origin United States, type stealth air superiority, in service 178. F-15C Eagle, origin United States, type air superiority, in service 266. F-15E Strike Eagle, origin United States, type multi-role, in service 165. F-15EX Eagle II, origin United States, type multi-role, in service 143 on order. F-35A Lightning II, origin United States, type stealth multi-role, in service 116. F-16C Fighting Falcon, origin United States, type multi-role, in service 939. F-16D Fighting Falcon, origin United States, type multi-role trainer, in service 150. A-10C, origin United States, type attack, in service 286. Lockheed AC-130, origin United States, type ground attack, in service 26. B-52, origin United States, type heavy bomber, in service 74. Airborne early warning and control aircraft. Boeing E-4B, origin United States, type command and control, in service 4. Boeing E-3B, origin United States, type airborne early warning and control, in service 31. Global Express, origin Canada, type command and control, in service 4. Electronic warfare aircrafts. Gulfstream G550, origin United States, type signal intelligence 3 on order. EC-130H, origin United States, type radar jamming, in service 19. Reconnaissance aircraft. Falcon 20, origin France, type signal intelligence, in service 2. Lockheed U-2, origin United States, type high altitude reconnaissance, in service 30. RC-26, origin United States, type signal intelligence, in service 11. E-8 Joint Star, origin United States, type airborne ground surveillance, in service 17. Boeing RC-135, origin United States, type surveillance, in service 24. Beechcraft MC-12, origin United States, type signal intelligence, in service 32. CN-235, origin Spain, type signal intelligence, in service 5. Bombardier Dash 8, origin Canada, type signal intelligence, in service 3. Pilatus PC-12, origin Switzerland, type signal intelligence, in service 23. Tanker aircrafts. Boeing KC-135, origin United States, type aerial refueling, in service 396. KC-10, origin United States, type aerial refueling, in service 58. KC-46, origin United States, type aerial refueling, in service 36. Lockheed Martin KC-130, origin United States, type aerial refueling, in service 65. Transport aircrafts. C-5 Galaxy, origin United States, type strategic airlifter, in service 5. Boeing C-32, origin United States, type VIP transport, in service 4. Boeing C-40, origin United States, type VIP transport, in service 12. Boeing C-17, origin United States, type strategic airlifter, in service 222. Boeing VC-25, origin United States, type presidential transport, in service 2. Beechcraft C-12, origin United States, type utility transport, in service 23. C-130 Hercules, origin United States, type utility transport, in service 202. Beechcraft 1900, origin United States, type transport, in service 3. Lockheed HC-130J, origin United States, type search and rescue and transport, in service 36. C-130J Super Hercules, origin United States, type tactical airlifter, in service 136. Cessna 208, origin United States, type transport utility, in service 2. Pilatus PC-12, origin Switzerland, type transport utility, in service 12. DHC-6, origin Canada, type transport utility, in service 1. M28 Skytruck, origin Poland, type transport, in service 5. Dornier 328, origin Germany, type transport, in service 20. Larjet 35, origin United States, type VIP transport, in service 18. Helicopters. Bell UH-1N, origin United States, type utility, in service 65. V-22, origin United States, type combat search and rescue, in service 51. Sikorsky HH-60, origin United States, type combat search and rescue, in service 106. Augusta Westland AW-139, origin United States, type utility, in service 179 on order. Trainer aircrafts. Bell TH-1, origin United States, type rotorcraft trainer, in service 40. P-38, origin United States, type jet trainer, in service 503. T-6, origin United States, type advanced trainer, in service 446. T-1, origin United States, type multi-engine trainer, in service 176. Boeing C-135, origin United States, type multi-engine trainer, in service 3. SR-20, origin United States, type basic trainer, in service 20. Grob G120TP, origin Germany, type basic trainer, in service 5. EMB 314 Super Tucano, origin Brazil, type trainer, in service 6.